Imagine typing in your website address like you've done 100 times. Your site loads, customers find you, everything's fine. Then one day, it's gone. No hack, no warning. Just one renewal fee that never got paid and a domain that quietly expired. And the moment it happens, a countdown starts. When a domain expires, it doesn't just vanish, it falls through 4 stages. And at each one, your options shrink and the cost to get it back climbs. Let's run the clock. Stage 1, the grace period. For about 45 days, most registrars keep your site and email running like normal, so you'd never know anything's wrong. But this is the cheapest, easiest time to fix it. Just log in and renew at the normal price. So if you see a renewal warning, act on it now. Stage 2, redemption. Now it gets real. Your site goes offline. Your email stops. The domain locks. You can't edit, transfer, or renew it normally. To get it back, you file a special restore request and pay a painful redemption fee, often many times the original price. You've got about 30 days. It still works, unlike what comes next. Stage 3, pending delete. This one's brutal. For about 5 days, there's nothing you can do. You can't renew it. You can't restore it. No amount of money saves it. All you can do is watch the clock run out. Stage 4, the domain drops. Now anyone on earth can grab it. And automated tools called drop catchers snatch valuable domains in milliseconds. Competitors, investors, squatters, if you want it back, you're not renewing. You're negotiating with a stranger for many times the price. Start to finish, this takes about 70 to 80 days. So how do you make sure this never happens? 1. Turn on auto renew. This alone prevents most lost domains. 2. Keep a valid payment method on file. Most lost domains are just declined payments. 3. Register for multiple years. 4. Keep your contact email current so warnings reach you. 5. Set up expiry alerts. A free reminder beats a painful fee. An expired domain isn't one mistake. It's a 4-stage countdown. The earlier you act, the cheaper it is. And if this helped, hit subscribe. I break down stuff like this every week.